Let's see if these new spring arrivals are as cute as they look in the pictures. Okay, absolutely obsessed with everything about this little top, you guys. The pink stripes, the ruffle on the bottom. This is super similar option to that last top that also comes in solids. There is a slightly wider cuff at the bottom of the sleeves, but then it has that same super cute ruffle. This one is literal springtime perfection. Oh my gosh, this is one of the prettiest dresses I have ever put on my body, ever. This one has so many good details throughout. There's lace, there's ruffles, there's florals. It's perfection. The straps are also adjustable, so even at 6 feet tall, the length on this one is really good. Okay, these little ballet wrap tops have been trending lately, and I was so excited to finally get one because I feel like they're perfect to throw on for the gym when it's cold and you just want a little bit of coverage. Super soft fabric. There is a hole on the side so you can easily wrap it. Lots of color options, but this ballet pink is perfection. The color on this one is just screaming springtime, and I love all the Henley buttons on the front. It has this wider band at the bottom, so it hangs really nicely, and it's the perfect little sweater for wearing with a pair of jeans. Okay, in theory, these little ruffle shorts should be really cute, but at 6 feet tall, I feel like these are just not hitting right.